Hope you're enjoying your Sunday. Today I want to talk to you about my new and improved EDC, which has come a lot way from something very cheap like this, where everything piles up and you can find anything in there, not to mention poor quality. And then to have something way better organized, quite slim and light. And as a new Alpaka ambassador, I'm rocking the Sling Mini, which, by the way, maybe because of the weight distribution, carries a lot better than this actually. I've got almost twice as much stuff than in this one, and I must say I almost can feel it. Let me just stay in the frame. I don't know. Very, very nice to carry. Yeah. So let's do a quick packet dump. Yeah, as you can see, small knife, the shuffle, my 5th packet, the PowerPoint, you know it well, along with the bit driver, car keys, flashlight right here, i5R, and that's about it. That's all I carry on a daily basis. I could say this is my core EDC, or maybe even this too. Yeah. Now let's move to the bag. Phone in here. Well, actually, the phone case. The phone is filming right now. And in the main compartment, we have in the front part of the bag we have notebook, lighter, mini marker, nail clipper, backup light, AAA, very nice this one. It's the Southern C01S. I don't think they make them anymore. And I have another rechargeable battery, because I have two i5Rs and not the native English speaker, and sometimes it's quite difficult to find my words, but bear with me and everything will be alright, I hope. So, of course, my pen, foldable bag. Gets about this size. I won't take it out now. Power bank. Yeah. Wallet. And that's about it. Very, very nice to carry, I must say. So, next I want to show you and maybe explain the color scheme. And actually, where did I put the... Oh, yeah. We have here also the Elements backpack, which I'm still currently testing it, and what is the zip pouch here. So if you noticed, I carry two color schemes in the fall and the winter. I go with the, if you can see, OD orange and black, as you can see here. It's a soft shell hoodie. And in the spring and summer, I mainly rock these colors that you see: black, blue, and yellow. So this, my favorite bag, easy to put on and off, very good weight distribution. Yeah, you can hear dogs, chickens sometimes. It's got these loops here. You can put a flashlight like this, quick access. It has a back compartment right here, for more concealed carry. What can go in here. So let's talk about this wallet here. Actually, it's the perfect wallet for me, because the color scheme and the size, material, very nice, and it's the wallet that I've been searching for actually, because in the next episode I want to show you my my carry system, which I put together in the last 2 or 3 years. So yeah, let's now get to the backpack. Let me just push everything out of the way. So compared to my, wait a minute, bug out bag, which is a 50-liter bag. Yeah, you can see the difference right here. We're going to talk about this later. So, with the laptop that is right here, I've managed managed to put here a first aid kit. These are elastic, by the way, the packets. Half a liter water bottle. Well, I didn't manage to get in the, where did I put in? My main water bottle. Yeah, it's metallic, you know. It's too thick. It doesn't get in this packet. Ah, silly me. It fits right inside. I don't have yet the hub system, you know, where you can put stuff here and you have those quick access pull tabs. But what do you know? The Mora fits perfectly from the strap here. More straps in the front. The only thing I have to, I don't know, complain about it is this material, you know. It's not the X-Pack, but if you can see, it's a lint magnet. I don't know. This part here is different. The same with the Sling Mini. The front. Sorry about that. More stuff coming out. Not so bad here, but in the back is another material that stays much cleaner than the front. I don't know, but I'm very happy with how it carries. Yeah, I'm currently changing and adjusting my EDC because of this new systems, and I have more bags and stuff. I have to organize myself or I go crazy. Yeah, I'll talk about that in the next episode. I'll come back with more information on the Alpaka system, which I'm very pleased with at the moment. Yeah, I don't know. Let's hope everything will be right, and see you next time. I have to get up and stop the camera. See you, bye. Yeah, there goes the rooster.